Hello students, welcome to SKITRE. Here I am going to show you how to use our body language dojo. So let's consider you all have already purchased our body language dojo. So first of all go to practice tools, then search here for body language tool. Here click on view button. As we click on view button, it will navigate us to its instructive page. So here some instructions are given for using this dojo. Instead of reading, you can listen to those instructions. Here, click on start button. As you click on start button, it will navigate us to its category page. So here some categories are enlisted. Select any category you want to practice. So as you click on category field, it will navigate us to its scenario page. So here some scenarios are enlisted. Click on the scenario field to practice. For example, this one. As we click on scenario field, it will navigate us to its informative page. So here some information is provided based on this scenario. Instead of reading, here you can also listen to this information. Then click on continue button. As we click on continue button, it will navigate us to its practice page. So here some scenario is provided. Also what you have to say, that content also provided. You just have to click on start recording button and you have to record yourself by saying that particular content. Hi everyone. Then upload this video. Here you can check your uploaded video. If you are not satisfied with your answer, then again you can practice. Hello. Again upload. Check whether it is required or not, and then click on save and continue button. So in this way you have to practice the scenarios in our body language dojo. Thank you.